This is my village that Israel strikes it at the day and the night and kill the civilians at it.
What's it like to be displaced by war, time and time again? I'm in Aintoura in the mountains above Beirut at a centre for displaced people. It was originally a school and it first opened its doors in 2006 during another Israel-Lebanon war. As Israel wages its most devastating campaign on Lebanon yet, this centre is full again with families who have lost everything for a second and third time.
I think people left their home to come here, this area, because Israel is bombing everywhere. I think it's sad, but we are here to help them. There's around 160 person now. I hope that there will not be more people because some rooms are divided by two. There's 2, 3, 4 families.
We woke up shocked, like it's the ceasefire, we couldn't believe, and some people actually packed their things and was prepared to go home, and some people actually went. But then, no, it didn't stop, We just want to go back. We hope to go back.
Israel and Lebanon have now agreed to direct ceasefire talks, but those could take weeks, if not months. For those living here, that's not just an abstract diplomatic timeline. It's a question of when and whether they get to go home.